Are you fasting but still feeling weak, bloated, or just not seeing results? You might be fasting wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to fast correctly and, most importantly, how to break your fast the right way to maximize your health. Before we even talk about breaking your fast, let's get the fasting part right. Not all fasting methods work for everyone. Here are the best ones to try. Intermittent fasting, 16-8, 18-6 OMAD, great for beginners. Extended fasting, 24+ hours, offers deeper benefits like autophagy. Remember, we talked about this last week. If you don't know what autophagy is, please watch my previous video. Hydration is key. Drink water and herbal tea to prevent dehydration. Don't overeat before a fast. A high-carb meal before fasting can cause energy crashes. It will only do more harm than good. Listen to your body. Fatigue, brain fog, or weakness, you may need adjustments. Now, this is where most people go wrong. You've gone hours without food. Your body is in a sensitive state. What you eat next can make or break your fasting results. Best foods to break your fast. Start light, warm water, coconut water, or a few soaked nuts. Go for healthy fats and protein, avocados, eggs, or yogurt. Add fiber-rich carbs, vegetables, or a small serving of fruits like berries. Worst foods to break a fast: sugary drinks, spikes insulin and causes energy crashes. Processed foods leads to bloating and digestion issues. Large meals overloading your stomach can cause discomfort. Pro tip: take it slow. Eat small portions, chew thoroughly, and allow your digestive system to adjust. Want to get even more benefits from fasting? Follow these hacks. Drink warm water. It helps digestion and fat burning. Light exercise during fasting. Walking enhances fat loss without draining energy. Track your progress. Pay attention to energy levels, mood, and digestion to refine your fasting routine. Consistency is key. The more you fast correctly, the better the results. Now you know how to fast like a pro and avoid the biggest mistakes. Want more fasting tips? Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.